As you see on the screen, when doing the provincial incorporation from Ontario province, you will pay $270.30. And I'll show you exact scenario and step-by-step process on how it is done. You will see a simple and intuitive way to complete the incorporation process in less than 20 minutes. And this is named incorporation. I want to be completely transparent with you. This video is not sponsored by Ownr and they did not pay me to make this video. However, I do have a referral link in the description and I have also pinned this in the comment section. When you click the referral link, you will land on this page where you can see this message and it says get 15% of your incorporation automatically at the time of checkout. This discount will apply if you complete the sign up within 30 days of clicking the link. When you go directly to Ownr website without the referral link, this message does not appear because it takes you to a different page which you can see here. So if you plan to use Ownr anyway, using the referral link ensures that the discount is automatically applied during checkout. If you came through the referral link, the discount will automatically appear here. You can see the promo discount reflected in the final price along with the message that says, if you receive the code from an affiliate, the person referred, you may receive a reward. And that's me. If for some reason the promo code is not applied, which is there, you can reach out to me and I will try to get this resolved with Ownr, as I have done this with few other people who experience this issue. Now, let me take you through the process step by step. Once you click on the link and you come to this page, click here and here you will select the province as Ontario and next. Here selecting incorporation and then about your company. I want a named company. My company will be called, company name will get entered and from this drop down select the one which you want. And you look here, requirement says company name must be unique and must contain distinctive element and a descriptive element. Once that is met, see here the preliminary name search test has passed. Click next. Here enter your details and once this is done, you will do a sign up. Once you have done with the sign up, we'll be filling all of these details. First is the account information, phone number, address and selecting I am Canadian resident. If you don't know what that is, you can just click here and you will see read more section and once that is done, click next. When you're filling the details and you have some confusion or any clarification what is required, you have this chat section. Once you click here, once you go through the options, you can chat with the team. The team can also help. In the company detail, my company will be Provincial Canadian Corporation based in Ontario. And then it shows the address, what was entered earlier. My company will operate in from this drop down. Select your option. Here I am selecting technology, internet and software. Once that is done, company's fiscal year end date I'm keeping as December and then clicking next. The name confirmation I'm keeping as named and the name which was entered earlier, it says requirements as green and this satisfies all legal requirement and has passed preliminary name search test. Once this is done, click next. Here company ownership as a single person company, I've kept it here by myself. These are the two options. Click next. Here in director section, I have already pre-filled this. Let me show this. It shows the name, email address, phone and address and the residency. Also the requirement here, you see this shows green tick. Clicking next. Again for the officers, primary signing authority, it shows the name. Let me click here and the same detail is again getting shown. Click next. Shareholders, here you see types of share. I've kept it at voting and ownership as 100% and then clicking next. Your subscription plan has two plans here, basic and pro, and you can check the breakdown, what is free and what is discounted and what's included, add-on, everything is given here, and the managed corporation plan again has the breakdown. So once we come down here, I'm selecting the basic plan. Here it says ensure that you meet verification requirement to open bank account online, and then you go with the verification requirement and the consent. Then click continue. Here the 15% discount has automatically applied because I came through the referral link. See the complete breakdown and this way there are no surprises and promo discount is also seen. The total with RBC account is shown as $270.30. And here you also see discount applied shown. If you have received this code from an affiliate, they will also receive a reward, and that's me. Hover around, you can see what all you get. And one more thing important is that by clicking next, you agree to open RBC business bank account within 60 days of payment. If you do not open the account, the discount will not apply and your credit card will be charged the remaining $300. So this $300, you see the discount. This is because of selecting the RBC bank account. Now, once the registration is done, just by calling the RBC bank helpline, one can set up an appointment to get this bank account open. For that, first you need to have the incorporation document. So once this is done, the payment is done using credit card. Once that is entered, the next step is the name reservation. Once that is done, then you will go through the final review and submit the document. Once that is done, owner will take on from there, get the registration process completed, and will inform you about the incorporation getting done. So that's the entire process on Ownr. Also check out my website canadatriedandtested.com. The link will be there in the description, where in this organized link section, you have everything at one place. If you want to know how to get the business number, how to apply for license and permit, payroll nil report, some of the important documentation what is required with the business, all of that I have organized at one place, and you can check that out.